These WFCYX 8 PCs upgraded DA 990415 a Hinge Shim refrigerator door height adjustment kits aim to solve a common issue. That issue is when one refrigerator door sits lower than the other. This can happen over time with regular use. It might even occur after moving your appliance. These Samsung Hinge shims, WFCYX, act like small lifts for your door. They help to make both doors line up evenly once more. The kit includes 8 shims. These shims come in 4 different thicknesses. This variety is quite helpful. It allows you to fine-tune the height. You can add just a little lift or a bit more, depending on what you need. The Samsung Hinge shims, WFCYX, are replacement parts. They work for several Samsung refrigerator models. Part numbers like 3,282,540, DA 6000314C, PS 6,448,337, and AP 5,668,209 are compatible. Installation seems easy, and many reviews mention this. Think of these Samsung Hinge shims, WFCYX, as adding a thin book under a wobbly table leg. They help to level things out. If your refrigerator door isn't sealing well because it's uneven, this kit could be a simple fix. You won't need to buy a whole new fridge. Plus, it's a do-it-yourself item. This means you can likely handle the job without calling a repair person. For the cost, and given the positive reviews, this item seems like a practical addition if you are facing this specific refrigerator problem. Pros: perfect replacement part, fixes uneven doors, easy to install, different thicknesses, saves money. Durable material, water resistant, extends fridge life, reduces repair costs, fits many Samsung models. Cons: possible incomplete order, risk of damaged parts, quality control issues, may receive wrong amount, potential for distortion, instant packaging, not always as described, could have fitting issues, might not solve all seals. One review noted a defect. Features: 8 PCs, upgraded, DA 990415 a Hinge shim, refrigerator door, height adjustment, replacement parts, for Samsung 4 different thickness, DA 6000314C. This WFCYX kit has 8 upgraded Hinge shims that help you fix refrigerator doors that are not level on some Samsung models. If one door looks lower than the other and doesn't close right, you can use these shims to make them even. The kit includes 8 pieces with 4 different thicknesses, and they can replace parts with numbers like DA 990415 and DA 6000314C. You can easily install them yourself to save money. This WFCYX kit has 8 Hinge shims in 4 different thicknesses to help fix refrigerator doors that are not level on many Samsung models. These are replacement parts that are easy to install, letting you save money by doing it yourself. The shims are made of a strong, water-resistant material that can make your fridge last longer and reduce repair costs. However, some people have had issues like not getting the right amount of parts, receiving damaged items, or finding that the shims don't always fit perfectly or solve all sealing problems. With one person reporting a defect,